Welcome to Franciscan Solutions. Let's have a look how to use eCare Pro application. First, go to Play Store or App Store. Then search eCare Pro. Now download the eCare Pro application. After downloading the eCare Pro app, click Open. Grant all the required permissions. Now enter the school code. Then click Continue. Now enter your username. Then click Next. Now enter your password. Then click Enter. Now you are successfully logged into our app. Under Notice menu we can see all the school notice. Under Class Notice option you can see the class notices. Under Activity menu you can find the event calendar of the session. Under Timetable option you can find your day's class routine. Under Assignments option you can find your assignments. Under Circular option you can see the circular of the school. Under Syllabus option you can see the syllabus. Under Teachers option you can see your subject teachers. Under Classmates option you can see your classmates. Under Report Card option you can see your report cards. Under Birthday option you can see the upcoming birthdays. Under Messages option you can see your inbox messages. Also you can compose messages to your teachers. Under Settings option you can manage your username and password. Under Notifications option you can see the notifications. Under Profile option you can see your profile. Thanks for choosing Franciscan Solutions.